We are jamming it in today. In the 7 o'clock hour, we talked to West Michigan Works about jobs that are available. Now joining us on the live line, the labor and employment attorney at Varnum Law and partner at Varnum Law, Luis Avila, once again. Luis, thanks for joining us today.
Hey, thank you for having me.
Talk to us a little bit about those that might be in a unique situation because of this coronavirus or COVID-19 scare that are downsized, laid off, or fired. What is the next step that they should take to finding out about unemployment, filing for, and getting it?
Yeah, right now, thankfully, Governor Whitmer passed an executive order a couple of days ago expanding unemployment benefits. So people that might not otherwise have been eligible for unemployment are now eligible, and this includes a pretty large group of folks now. So the first thing would be if you're going to get laid off or if you are going to be put on a leave of absence because there's not enough work for you, go to michigan.gov. They have a very user-friendly website there to help direct people to the unemployment agency to start filing for benefits.
It has been a while since I've been through that process, but I did, and no such thing existed at that time. You had to go in, and you had to go in regularly. So how does that process look then, and how much of the job search part do you have to share these days?
Yeah, so what's great is that they are waiving the job search piece. They are also making it easier so that employers are not dinged for these unemployment applications. So employers should be encouraging their workforce to go and apply for this. It can all be done online. They don't have to go in person. In fact, they're discouraging people to go in person. And so let me just tell you briefly, folks that are eligible, people that are in self-isolation or self-quarantine that are doing so because they have an elevated risk of getting COVID-19, people that are displaying symptoms of having COVID-19, people that have been in contact in the last 14 days with someone that has a confirmed diagnosis of COVID-19, if you need to care for a family member that has a confirmed diagnosis, or, and this is an important piece, family care responsibilities as a result of a government directive. And that means the government directive shutting down schools. If you've got to watch for your kids, you are eligible for unemployment.
Wow. That is a big piece that I had not heard yet.
Yeah, very significant.
Luis, what if I think I got fired for a bad reason? What if I disagree? I mean, I don't know that we don't always all disagree if we get fired, but what if we think that there might be something all funny going on? Do I have resources that way too?
Well, with regard to this specifically, right now I think really your best bet is to just go, if you're looking for unemployment benefits, don't fight right now with your employer. Go get the benefits. You're eligible for up to 26 weeks. The government is making it very easy. They understand this is unprecedented. If you feel like you are being laid off for some other reason, that's a completely different conversation. But also good enough for people to know right now that if you end up contracting COVID-19 as a result of workplace exposure, one of your coworkers gives it to you, workers' comp is available for you. So immediately file a workers' comp claim. OSHA has come out and said, yep, we recognize this as a workplace injury or illness. File a claim.
Wow. There's another piece of information I did not know as well. And workers' comp kind of opens the floodgate for treatment that you might not ordinarily get or have to pay for. So
exactly. Yeah, it makes it really easy for you to go get some medical treatment if, in fact, you contracted this at work. I mean, this is, as you know, this is changing, every 6-7 hours. But as of right now, that's the information we have, and it's positive. It's very employee friendly.
Partner and labor and employment attorney at Varnum, Varnum Law, Luis Avila. Thank you so much for your time today.
Hey, thank you. Really appreciate it.